Hey everybody, Quilt Marine here. So, while we're on the roll, when I was at retreat, the quilt retreat for men, guess what showed up? Yep, you remember, right? You remember. I know it's been a while since you saw me, but you remember we sent my brother off to Rob to let Rob do what he does, right? I told Rob, go ahead and paint it, do what you want to do. You're the artist. Oh, for those of you who don't know who Rob is, Rob Appell. He's a quilter. Check him out over at Stitchin Heaven, and you'll get the point. But those of you who do know, yes, I have a one-off by Rob Appell. You got to be special to get one of these, okay? You got to be special. So I let Rob do his thing, sent it off to Rob, said take your time with it, and it's back. We got it. And it's time to do what? Yeah, let's open it and see what we got. Let's see what the brain of Rob Appell put on my brother, okay? And I mean the machine, okay? So, get some scissors here. All right, these aren't fabric scissors, so no one screech and be like, no, these are kitchen scissors, okay? They're trash, all right? We don't use, all right, for those of you who are new, we don't use fabric scissors to cut tape and boxes and paper and stuff, okay? So let's open this thing up here. And we're gonna see what Rob did or didn't do, okay? But he's my friend and I trust him. Him and my buddy Andrew Lee, the combat quilter, look him up too. We try to get him to make content, but Andrew's hard-headed, okay? But I love him anyway. All right, let's see what we got. Pull out this stuff here. I'm doing that on purpose. Oh, damn. All right, guys. All right. Look at this, man. All right. Oh, no. Put this down here. Look at this. Ta-da! Look at that, man. It's a phoenix rising out of the ashes. All right, we got some shipping damage on it, but no worries. Oh, man. Hold on, let's see what we got. Let's go in the box here. Ooh. Let's pull this out here. Okay, this goes right here. Look at that. That's pretty sick, I think. Right? Oh, man. It's been a while since we saw the brother, right? Got other stuff in here. Let's see. Okay, we got our cord, power cord, and the pedals in there as well. But look at that. Oh, man, that thing is so clean. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Let's take a look at the other side. All right, let's take this off here. All right, let's turn it around here. Yeah, look at that. Okay, man. I'm impressed. Color me. Oh, Rob's got his name on there and everything. So he can come over and say it's his. No, it's not. This is my baby, okay? This is my original monster. This thing is a workhorse. It's the Brother PQ1500SL. And this thing is sick. I love this machine. This is the first machine officially. Well, it isn't my first machine, but my wife bought this for her birthday present. And this is my workhorse. It's a straight stitcher. And this thing is it's a monster. And I love that it's a monster. And I do all my piecing on this. So this right here, I've said it before, this is the Mustang, right? And the Bernina is the Ferrari. But I love Mustangs. I'm a Ford guy, all right? I am very grateful. It is a nice job. Rob killed it, as he usually does, right? So when you guys see this thing rocking and rolling, you know, she's back home. We got her home finally, and I cannot wait to get her to work because we got quilts to build, right? So we're moving forward. So, you know, we got this. I'm pulling this down. We're putting it together. You'll see the progress here shortly. I've started putting the pieces together so we can move on. We need to move on to other things. I want to build other things, all right? I have people who are waiting for quilts, right? So I'm going to build some quilts. Got to modernize the wife's quilt, all right? She's got one of my very first quilts. So every time I get on it or see it, I'm like, that corner, it's bothering me, you know? When I couldn't do corners, and when I was, you know, I would do a bind, and the bind would be crazy looking, you know? So we got to move forward. We got to make some quilts, and we're going to build some quilts together, okay? So it's probably already been done, but you haven't done it with me, right? So Rob, I love you, brother. Thank you so much for the one-off, man. You know what you mean to me, and it's no secret. You're very important to me. You and Andrew are both very important to me in my life and what I do and what you guys do for me and my mental health, okay? Rob, thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Andrew, thanks for keeping the secret. I know it was rough, man. I know it was rough. Everyone else, so look forward to making another video, seeing more progress, all right? And look, we still got to talk about the men's retreat packing list, I would call it. It's a packing list, right? Because I showed up, I had stuff sticking out of my pocket. It was just crazy, right? Because I was unprepared. But ladies, we want your husbands to go on men's retreats. Stick with me, all right? I'm going to put together a packing list for your man, all right? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.